Roofing news for April 15th, 2019. It's tax day. Hi, my name is David Clausen, and each day I go through hundreds of videos and articles so that you learn everything new in the roofing industry in less than 5 minutes. So make sure to subscribe to the channel so you are aware of everything that's going on. And below the video, I put the links if you need more information from the videos that I quickly highlight. All right, the first one comes from Dimitri. If you do anything with PayPal or credit card processing, you want to check out this video. You're going to learn a lot of tips so that you can get your money quicker because they tend to hold the money, and who wants that as a contractor? The Tile Roofing Industry Alliance has a little tutorial on clay tile, so if you do any of that, there's some great tips and tricks in there. Here from the Newswire, coatings for commercial and residential roofing, the North American market. So if you need any scientific insight from that, you can click on that. Do you lay Owens Corning? If you do, you might want to take a look at their stock. This article talks with Owens Corning stock analysis. Here from the Science Times, study proves that green roofs help rid indoor air of pollutants. So there might be some great information in there for customers if you do any green roofs. So that is the news for April 15th. It is sponsored by Roofing Webmasters. I'm an authorized dealer. If you need more local leads, give us a call because we are the best at ranking your roofing website on Google. We've done over 300 roofing websites. Nobody knows roofing websites better than we do. We just provide more content, coding, and a custom design. So give a call now if you would like more local leads. And I did a video over the weekend, 6 new roofing business ideas you might want to check out. It's a great way for you to double, possibly triple the revenue in your roofing company. So once again, subscribe because we will do the news each day. So thanks for your time and have a great day. Bye-bye.